Auntie Jen. I'm here to pick up Cousin Tessina. Hi, I'm Anna White. God delivered me from lesbianism and from same-sex attraction. I'm now a follower in Jesus Christ, or of Jesus Christ. I believe in his teachings. I believe the Bible is the inerrant word of God. It's infallible. And Matthew chapter 7, verse 12 tells us to treat others the way you want to be treated. However you want to be treated is how you should treat others. If you have any questions, if you have any situations that maybe you're facing and you would like to just talk, email me or visit my website. My email and my website are in the description. If you like the content, like, share, subscribe, follow me.